So over here you can see that I have a web page, and then what you're seeing right now is the editing mode, meaning I can go around and then edit out the text according to how I like and place out elements according to how I like it. But if you want to view a preview of the site to see how it would look to other people, then you can go around on the top right here on the preview icon and click on it. So once you do that, what happens is that it opens up a preview window right here, and this is how it would look to other people. You can go around over here and see how it can be navigated around over here and click to see how different pages would look. You can go around, let me get out of the full screen, and you can see that this is how it would look. So let me just go around onto the home. You can see that the site is fully responsive. Talking about responsive, you can see that right now I am viewing this website on a large screen. But if you want to view this on a tablet setting, you can click on this and you can see how it would actually look on a tablet setting. Similarly, you can go around over here onto a phone and you can see that now you got the phone view, and over here if I were to click, you can see that this is how the menu actually pops up. Here you can see that search is available right now. You can enable as well. And you can see that this is the preview that you have. So now, in order to get out of the preview, you can click on the exit preview button, and then this is what you have. And that is how you can preview your websites made using Google Sites. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.